Guys, so today we are trying to solve the Gaussian, the Fourier transformation of Gaussian. Okay, so formula the result is basically if you start from exponential pt squared, right, and you do the Fourier transformation, and the definition is this, right? You just times exponential minus j omega t dt. So let me just remind you guys that j squared is minus 1. Okay. Oh, by the way, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and then you will get the results here. So this is your final results. Okay, and we have so we need to use a lemma. Okay. Okay, so this lemma is very important, called Gaussian integral, right? So if somebody use dx infinity to negative infinity, then this will become pi over a. Okay, so if real a is larger than 0. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so now we first write as this, and then so this is this, right? So and then we just complete the square, so we can just write this as this. Okay, so you see there's a plus sign here, so this term can be written as this term, right? So there's a negative term here, so this negative omega squared 4p can be pulled out, right? The remaining is this, right? So if you see carefully, this remaining is exactly this. You can just directly shift x, and the result will be the same. So we just change x to be t, right? And you shift the t by this factor. So this is the result will be square root of pi over p. So the answer will be square root of pi over p exponential minus omega squared divided by 4p. So basically, once you know this lemma, then this will be completely trivial. Okay, I will see you guys in another interesting Fourier analysis video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.